give him a 10. That's it, 10.
What's good, y'all? About to get this X pipe put on, so we just showing you how the exhaust is. That's quiet mode right there, with the active exhaust. What is that? Normal. Okay, give it a couple revs. Here go normal mode. All right. Now we're gonna try sport mode. Sport mode with active exhaust, no X pipe.
Track right here.
All right. That's track mode right there. Valves all the way open. Now we about to go to the exhaust shop. Shout out my boy Louis, about to get right.
See if I can get it to rev all the way. Busy right now.
Here at 3C Performance, man. Good X pipe. My man Louis getting me right. We're here with my boy right here. Resonator right here. My man getting me right. The Steeda John. Super simple. Got the cutting clamp going. Right there. This is gonna be extra light. Undercarriage looks solid though. Should I take these off? I don't know. Let me know if I should take these off the cats, man. Fuck it. I can see the active exhaust right there. For those who don't know, that's what the quiet track exhaust.
Wow.
That right there will keep me from getting pulled over. You feel me? First start up in normal mode. Hey, put that bitch in track. Alright, yes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Little Black Friday deal.
Hell yeah.
So this is a first pull on what mode?
It's drag mode.
Drag mode.
Track exhaust, so as
Track.
loud as it can be.
So basically allows us gonna get.
Straight now.
Sheesh. That's real Mustang stuff right there, man. That raspiness. We don't do the H pipes, man. Not on the Mustang. You don't do the H pipe on the Mustang. Come back down. Track mode. Valves open. Sheesh. Downshift is crazy. Sheesh.
How it sound?
That sound good.